So you wanted to improve the quality and accuracy of the generated images. Not a problem. Lora is an excellent solution to the storage problem. So you will learn what Lora models are, where to find them, and how to use them in AUTOMATIC 1111 GUI. So let's go! I am first going to apply some prompt for the base of the video. Nothing big, just a girl or a boy to see the work of Checkpoint, and compare the real effect of Lora on the prompt and the image itself. During this time, let me explain what is Lora. Lora for low-rank adaptation, namely load, have make it super easy using custom models in Stable Diffusion. We no longer need to depend on 2 gig or 3 gigs, even 5 to 6 gigabyte size of heavy Checkpoint files to get a custom model trained, or use the custom design model. So, we're gonna learn how you can start using any loader model within a matter of seconds or a few minutes. AUTOMATIC 1111 supports Lora natively. The loader models are already built in there. You can see it in Extensions tab. You don't need to install any extensions. You can find several sites that hosts a large collection of Lora models files. Personally, I prefer Citai. Let's go to the site. I put all links in the description below. Up you will find all the loader models that are available. Right here, click to download the file. Now let's write a nice prompt for generating a girl. I put blue hair and pink eyes with best quality, and click generate. Once it's done, we have to install the Lora by a simple drag and drop. Then go to main folder in AUTOMATIC 1111, find WebUI folder, then model. Put the model files in the Lora folder in models folder. The path is as follows below. You passed it here. Now go back to your Stable Diffusion and go to Lora tab and click on refresh. It's done. Once we get back to our generation tab, you need to include the trigger keyword. For this model it's Jigsaw. Yes, some Lora models are trained with Dreambooth. You will need to include a trigger keyword to use the Lora model. You can find the trigger keyword on the models page. Similar to embeddings, you can use multiple Lora models at the same time. You can also use them with embeddings. Then we return on Lora tab and click on this loader model to include this in our prompt. Once we get back to our generation tab, hit generate, and you can see the Jinx model effects of that loader ice already applied on this image. Let me share with you a useful Lora models detail tweaker. You will find the link in the description. It let you increase or reduce fine details in an image. Now, you can dial in the amount of details you want. If you want to learn even more about tricks of Stable Diffusion, you can just click the link to join us. See you soon!